Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make praline candy. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of pecans, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Next, prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Ensure you have a reliable candy thermometer ready, as precise temperature is key to delicious pralines. To begin cooking, combine 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup in a heavy saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, add 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 cups of pecans. Continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Once the mixture reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, this is crucial, stir the mixture vigorously and continuously. You'll notice it thickening and becoming opaque, losing its glossy appearance. Work quickly to drop spoonfuls onto your prepared parchment paper before it sets completely. Allow your freshly dropped pralines to cool undisturbed on the parchment paper until they are completely firm. This usually takes about 30 minutes. Once cooled, carefully peel them off the paper. For optimal freshness, store your delicious pralines in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will remain delightful for up to 1 week. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.